How to protect yourself from phone radiations using a simple thing. We all know that we are exposed to high amounts of radiation. We have the notion, in general terms, that there are side effects from the use of mobile phones. And over time, this can cause health problems. But did you know that there is a method by which you can protect yourself from these radiations? Rosemary has been catalogued as an ingredient of the best, since it has supplements that can protect from the radiations to which we are exposed. A study published in the British Journal of Radiology explains the benefits of using this plant. Rosemary has carnosic acid, which protects against free radicals by acting as a photoprotector. Makes maneuvers with the internal mechanism of the body to protect from radiation. It has compounds that decrease the toxic effects of poor diet. How should rosemary be prepared? Here is the method you should use to prepare the ultimate radiation remedy. Ingredients: 1 cup of boiled water, 2 teaspoons of rosemary leaves. Preparation: 1. Place the rosemary leaves in a cup and pour the freshly boiled water to make an infusion and cover the cup for 5 minutes. Your healthy rosemary recipe will be ready. 2. In addition, one of the methods to obtain excellent benefits for memory is to inhale the rosemary. But in addition, rosemary brings many more benefits: analgesic, antioxidant, facilitates the digestion of fats and starch, helps improve appetite, good for liver problems, diuretic and vesicle cleansing, antibacterial, controls low pressure, minimizes cavities, period pains, brain and cell stimulant, helps in concentration and memory and decreases mental fatigue, relieves joint pain, promotes well-being in general. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family.